In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Copilot in Outlook. If you've been seeing AI suggestions or a Copilot side pane in Outlook and want a quieter, more traditional email experience, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn it off. Don't worry, disabling Copilot won't delete any emails or change your account. It simply stops Copilot features from appearing while you work. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop app. This guide focuses on the classic Outlook for Windows or Mac, not the web version. If your window looks minimal, expand the ribbon so you can see the main menu. Next, head to the File menu in the top left corner of Outlook. This opens the Backstage view where application-level settings live, such as account details, options, and add-ins. From here, choose Settings. Depending on your build of Outlook, this might be labeled Options, but it takes you to the same place, the window where you can control how Outlook behaves. Inside the Settings or Options window, look for a section or tab specifically labeled Copilot. You'll typically find it in the left-hand list alongside categories like General, Mail, Calendar, and add-ins. If you don't see a Copilot tab, your organization might be managing this feature centrally, or your version of Outlook may not include the setting. In that case, the toggle may be unavailable to you. Once you've opened the Copilot tab, locate the switch or checkbox for Enable Copilot. Turn this off. This disables features like AI-generated draft assistance, summaries, or prompts that appear in the reading or compose panes. If there's a brief description under the toggle, give it a quick read so you understand exactly what's being turned off. You can always come back later and re-enable it if you change your mind. To apply the change fully, restart Outlook. Close the app completely, wait a moment to ensure it's not running in the background, and then open Outlook again. When it reopens, you should no longer see the Copilot icon or related prompts. If Copilot still appears, it could be due to organizational policies or account level controls that override local settings. A quick tip: this change affects Outlook on this device and profile. If you use Outlook on another computer, you may need to repeat these steps there as well. And remember, disabling Copilot doesn't impact your mail delivery rules or folder structure. It only removes the AI assistance layer. That's it. You've successfully disabled Copilot in Outlook. If you ever want it back, just return to the same Copilot tab and turn the Enable Copilot option on again.